The first hump to move on to the grand finals is hump number 4, Jeric Santos. Alright, joining Jeric sa grand finals is hump number 2, Alex Lee. Alright, our next hump that I will call will be joining us sa wild card round. Alright? That means you get to prove yourself once again kung karapat-dapat ka mag-move on to the grand finals. At ang ating wild card ay walang iba kundi si hump number 3, John